Hey beautifuls, welcome back to my channel today. So we are doing a very special unboxing because we are going to be checking out the TheraBox subscription. Now TheraBox is a monthly subscription box that's all curated by professional therapists, and inside they're going to feature a lot of different products that are designed for self-care and well-being. Now this is a brand that I have unboxed several times over the last few years. And what I love about TheraBox is that they are tried and true. They've been around for a while. They know what they're doing. And I've never had repeat products in their subscription boxes either. So I feel like they're just one of those core boxes out there that does a really great job. They're in their lane. They know what they're doing, and they just send good items every single month. So today we're going to be doing an unboxing of one of their newer boxes, and we're going to check it out. If you're interested in purchasing this monthly subscription box, I will have a link down below in my video description box. I also will have an exclusive discount code available as well for all of my viewers, so you can save a little bit of money at the same time when you use my code and link. Now this box has had a makeover since the last time that I opened it. So I opened this last year even. It's not like it's been forever since I've opened up their box, but they have had all new packaging made. So it still says Unbox Happiness, which is one of my favorite things about this box. That is kind of their theme, is to give you more happiness with each and every box. But I like the new look of the packaging. I think it's very cute. It kind of gives me like whimsical vibes almost. You know what I mean? Like it just feels very happy looking at it. So inside, when you open it up, you will have a booklet right on top that will tell you the theme for that box, but it's also going to break down all of the products that are included in your box as well. So this box is called Elevate. So I just took the packing off real quick. And look at, real quickly here, you guys, all of these products in there. I mean, there's a lot in here for a monthly box. So in total, we are going to receive 8 items inside of this box. One of those 8 items will be our happiness boosting activity. So like I mentioned, this box is curated by professional therapists, and every single month they're going to give you an activity that is supposed to help boost your happiness. Now what's great is this will change up every single month, so you usually will have a project that will last the full 30 days, and then your next box arrives and you can start a new project. So this is the item for our happiness boosting activity for this month. This is an activity book and journal, and it says there's 108 different ways to boost your vibe. So this is what it will look like here. It's made by a company called Knock Knock, and it is a paperback book. I don't see a price tag on here, but oh, it says $15.95. If you were going to purchase this, it would be $16. And then, like I said, it's a full workbook, so there's all different colors, but you can actually fill this out and work inside of this. The next item included in this box is from Vitamasks, and this is their Ultra Peeling Exfoliating Foot Mask. I love how you can kind of tell, like it kind of looks like a foot. So there is 1 pair inside of this, and what you do is just slip your feet right into the booties. This will be filled with its own like cream and moisturizer inside of the booty itself, and you'll leave it on for about 15 minutes, and then you'll just remove the booty and wipe your foot off. You should notice softer, brighter skin after using this product. Now here's a product that I've not tried, and I have tried a lot of Mud Masky products, but I know I've never had this because I would remember this color combo. So this is the Mud Masky Sleep Repair Renewal Nourishing Mask. So it is a face mask, and it is full size that we have here. It's cruelty-free, vegan, and all plant-based. Mud Masky is a really great skincare brand. So it will give you hydration while you are sleeping, and then it's also going to repair any damage that you might have on your skin as well, like if it's dry or cracked skin. This retails for $49 though. So I can't believe that this is in the box. I also can't believe I haven't tried this yet, but I mean, what a huge win for me. Like, I'm so excited that I can try a different product from this brand, especially when I know that they make really great products to begin with. Oh, and we even have a body cream. So let's see, we've had the foot mask, we just had a facial mask, and now we have a body cream in the box. This is from Stone Street Soap House, and it is a wholesome body cream, full-size product. There's a lot in here. But what is this color? I'm trying to figure out what ingredient they've used because I'm like, is this peas? Like, what did they put in here to make it this color? So it says that this is a tale of passion and cleanliness. They make all of their products in-house. This has chamomile in it and celery seed extract. There's also shea butter, honey, and cocoa butters as well. They do recommend that this is great if you warm it up, so that way it will be a warm body butter to put on. But it's the celery that's giving us that color. Okay, I figured there was something in this to do that. So this is $34, and it says that this is all made in England, and it's 100% responsibly sourced natural oils inside of this container. TheraBox does a really great job of always introducing different brands as well, especially with skincare products. So I do like that. And like I said, we never get repeats, but they do switch it up quite often. So the next product that I have in here is a eraser. Oh, it's a brightening powder, cleansing, exfoliating, and brightening powder, but it's called the eraser. Oh, so see, this one, don't know it. I've never seen this brand before. I don't know anything about this product, but there are 10 packets inside of this box, and it says that each packet will have the powder inside, which will help to remove dirt, makeup, and congestion. This will also soothe any irritation that you might have on your skin. You just want to mix the powder with a water or a toner and form a paste, and then you're going to rub that onto your face and it will remove the dirt and makeup and oils then. Oh, so this is all natural once again. And then here is your packet. So this is what it will look like, and you get 10 of these inside of the box. And then you'll just make your paste and you've got your cleanser here. This is only $6 too. So this is Erase to Go, and it's $6 for this whole box, which, okay, that's affordable. It says its star ingredient is organic oat flour, and it will help to roll away then any of your makeup or oils. So I love that this is affordable too. We do have a beauty tool in here that we can use along with our skincare products. So this is a face sculptor, and it is designed to sculpt and lift and contour. Honestly, these just feel really good too. I will tell you, they're very relaxing. You can use them with serums that you already have as well to really massage in any of those serums, but I always feel like they're just so nice, especially when I have a headache. So here's what your tool will look like. And then these actually will move on the end. So they're stainless steel balls. This one will move sideways. And then up here, these ones will actually move vertically. So they're able to be massaged, and they're cold because they're stainless steel. But you're able to use this to massage all along your jawline as well because of that angle. So it's great at working all of those curves that you might have on your face. So I do love these tools. If you don't have one, I recommend it. This one is going to retail for $30, and the brand is called iNill. But this is a stainless steel face sculptor, and it says it also soothes inflammation and takes down any puffiness as well. We do have a supplement inside of our box. This is from Verowella, and it is their Focus supplement. There are 60 capsules inside of this bottle. However, you take 2 capsules a day, and so this will last for about 30 days. Now, as far as the ingredients go, it looks like it's mostly B12 and a couple other items, so I'll just list all of that there for you guys. But it is all made here in the US, and it even states that it's all natural, and this is going to be organic as well. Sealed bottle that we have here. If you were going to purchase this supplement, it would come in at $36 for it. It states that it's supposed to help you clear that mental fog that you might have in the mornings or later in the day. And last up, inside of our TheraBox this month is a Sage bundle. This is one that they put together specifically for this box. And so this bundle will retail for $16 if you were going to purchase it. So that is everything inside of the TheraBox subscription. Comment down below, let me know what you guys think of this box. This one definitely is a little bit different since the last time that I opened it. Usually, I remember getting a lot of different self-care items in there, but also we had like some snacks, like we'd have like some food items or treats. I didn't have any of that in this box today. I mean, call me crazy. I like the snacks in a box. So that is the one thing that I think is missing, is I would really like to have that. But I am excited for a couple of these products too. The Mud Masky sounds great. The Body Butter sounds really good too. So overall, I do think this is a decent box, but I would love to get some snacks back in here. But again, if you guys are interested in this subscription, I will be posting that link down below along with my discount code. That way you guys can save some money off of your first order. But until next time, beautifuls, have a great rest of your day, and I will see you all in my next unboxing video. Bye!